Layer and display module function introduction. Bring layer to front/send to back. Layer to front. This command is used to bring the selected entity layers to the front. Click the Layer to Front function. Select the entities to move to the front layer. The layer will be moved to the front. Layer to back. This command is used to send the selected entity layer to the back. Click the Layer to Back function. Select the entities to move to the back layer. The layer will be moved to the back. Dimension to front. This command is used to bring the text of the selected dimension annotations to the front. Click the Dimension to Front function. Select the dimension to move to the top. After pressing Enter, the annotation will be moved to the front. Hatch to back. This command is used to send the selected hatch patterns to the back. Click the Hatch to Back function. Select the fills to move to the back layer. After pressing Enter, the fill pattern is bottomed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.